So DPN only applies to PAYG, GST and superannuation. The law won't necessarily change. What will change is the interpretation of a law. It is possible that perhaps a law then goes retrospective, like it did with superannuation for DPNs. It went retrospective.
That's a big word for Elmo.
It was the 2013 financial year. The superannuation, outsetting super and DPNs, was retrospective. So all super that had been lodged late, the director had automatically been made personally liable for those amounts. PAYG and subsequently GST was all from that particular date onwards. Super, retrospectively. The law won't necessarily change. What will change is either a case or a hearing or a court procedure that then changes the interpretation of a law, which can then be applied to certain circumstances retrospectively, and then the client be hit up for additional tax. And you're meant to deal with that. People think, right, this law means this, and they've been operating in that regard, but all of a sudden a case has come up or there's been some form of order, court order, which has resulted in the interpretation of that law, and so then it can be applied retrospectively, and people can find themselves in a very vulnerable position. Don't ride on the edge. You know, you want to be 2 steps back than riding right on the edge.